Before installing any new software, it's a good idea to update your package list and upgrade installed packages. Next, install Python and pip, a package manager for Python used to install and manage Python packages. Once installed, you can verify Python and pip installation before installing packages like TensorFlow. Create a new directory for your TensorFlow project and navigate into it. Create a virtual environment and activate it. Your terminal prompt should now show the name of the virtual environment, indicating that it is active. Now that your environment is set up, you can install the latest stable version of TensorFlow along with its dependencies using pip, the Python package manager. After the installation is complete, it's a good idea to verify that TensorFlow is installed correctly by running piplist. Look for TensorFlow in the list of installed packages. If it's there, you know TensorFlow is installed.